Are you concerned about covering the rising cost of education? Each child or grandchild is eligible to get up to $7,200 of free grant money from the Canadian government under the Registered Education Savings Plan. These funds can grow tax-free and can be used to cover education costs in the future. The maximum annual grants are $500 per year per beneficiary on a contribution of $2,500 per year. That's a 20% return. If you have or plan on having more than one child, a family plan may be a good option, as it provides you flexibility in how to best utilize the funds to cover each child. The funds you invest will continue to grow tax-free if they remain in the Registered Education Savings Plan. The grants and investment returns are taxed while they are in the hands of the child, only when they start making withdrawals. This is financially extremely advantageous, as children are usually in a low tax bracket while attending school. To find out more about the free grant money available under RESP, call us today.